Hi everyone. Who says food has to be complicated? With just sabudana or sago or tapioca, milk and a little ghee, you can make one of the best Navratri fasting foods. Creamy, nourishing and ridiculously comforting. Let's make it. You will need 2 cups of milk, 6 or 7 raisins, few broken cashew nuts, 1/4 cup of sabudana or sago, cardamom, half teaspoon of ghee, 3 teaspoons of sugar. Sabudana is also known as tapioca. Look for organic small pearl tapioca. Start with half teaspoon of ghee. Add half teaspoon of ghee in a hot pan and let it melt. Once the ghee melts, toss in cashews, raisins. Roast them until everything turns golden. It adds sweetness, crunch and a texture to this porridge. Once golden, get it out in a bowl. In the same pan in leftover ghee, lightly roast the sabudana. Don't let it change the color. By roasting tapioca pearls in a little ghee, we are just trying to coat them in ghee so they don't clump later. After roasting for a minute, the tapioca pearls have not changed color yet, but every single pearl is coated in a little bit of ghee now. Turn the heat to medium and pour in the milk. Keep stirring or the starch will settle and glue everything together. So keep stirring until the milk starts to boil. Once the milk boils, lower the heat and simmer. In 5 to 6 minutes, the pearl will turn shiny and translucent. If you bring a spoonful of tapioca pearls close to your eyes and press with your finger, there's still a little bit of white part left. That means it's not completely done, but it's almost done. We'll let it simmer for 1 more minute. After simmering for 1 more minute, as you can see, it's completely done. All the pearls are completely transparent and they look glassy. Time to add a little bit of heavy cream. I added 4 teaspoons of heavy cream. If you want, you can skip it. If you want lighter porridge, you can completely skip heavy whipping cream. It's your choice. Add sugar. Stir everything homogeneously. Crush cardamom into a fine powder. Add cardamom powder to the porridge. Stir thoroughly for a couple of minutes so the flavor settles. Cover and let it rest so that the porridge thickens slightly. After 5 minutes, uncover, stir it and look at the thick, creamy and rich tapioca pudding. Ladle out a bowl of tapioca pudding or sabudana kheer for yourself. Top with your roasted nuts and raisins, and that's it. Creamy, nourishing porridge for fasting or a wholesome breakfast is ready. Enjoy it warm for cozy comfort or chilled for resistant starch that keeps you full during fasting days. Tapioca porridge proves simple food can be truly satisfying. That's it. Until next time, thanks for watching.